Hello you guys, what is up? Happy December. Oh my god, I just can't believe December is already here. It just feels कि मैंने अभी अभी न्यू ईयर सेलिब्रेट किया था, अभी सारे इवेंट्स हुए हैं पूरे साल के और साल मतलब सब चले गया. Time is just like flying like this for everybody because I'm literally hearing this from everybody कि मतलब पहले ऐसे दिन जाया करते थे, अब ऐसे यूँ मंथ निकले जा रहे हैं, पता ही नहीं लगता. Anyways, in today's video, I'm finally going to show you what I picked up from Nykaa Pink Friday sale. I literally placed my order on last day of the sale, 28th November, right? No. It also got extended till 30th. So yeah, 29th I placed my last order and it has just come 2 days ago. So before I start showing you all my products that I bought, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I'm posting up a new video. This just help you in catching up with my videos as soon as I post them. So yeah, make sure you do. And now without further ado, let's get started. Okay, I'm going to start this video with the product that I was most excited about, and it is from Smashbox. It's their Studio Skin 24-hour Hydra foundation, and it is their mini version. I mean, it is too mini. I'll show you. So this is how the foundation looks. I'm not sure if you can see the actual size of this product because I was expecting this to be little bigger, but it's like too small. It almost feel like it's a free sample or something, but I freaking paid 1350 rupees for just this tiny tube. And the weight of this product, wait, where is it written? Yeah, this is just 10 ml. I mean, जब ऑर्डर आया था मैंने सब कुछ खोला था, मुझे फाउंडेशन ही नहीं दिख रहा था. बस लाइक फाउंडेशन क्यों नहीं आया, इसमें डिलीवर्ड दिखा रहा है. फिर मैंने एक्चुअली छोटा सा ये खोला पैकेट, तब मुझे फाउंडेशन दिख रहा है. इट्स लाइक व्हाट, बिकॉज ऑनेस्टली आई डिड नॉट चेक द साइज ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट. आई जस्ट वांटेड टू ट्राई सम नाइस hydrating high-end foundation or Smashbox. I've heard a lot that it's very hydrating, it's very dewy, it's so good for dry skin and blah blah. So I wanted to try their foundation and then they launched their mini foundation as well. तभी से मुझे इसको लेने का बहुत मन था. So I didn't check anything कितना weight है क्या है. I just checked कि ये same foundation है जो bigger bottle में आता है, which it is for 3300 something, and I just added this in my cart. Or but anyway, if I like this foundation, I'm going to buy bigger bottle because I always believe that base products can literally make or break your makeup, and you should always invest in good quality base products. By good quality, I don't mean expensive, but whatever feels good on your skin. Now there was this offer going on Smashbox, like if you purchase products above 2000 you will get some free lipsticks or something, and I love Smashbox lipsticks. So anyhow, I wanted to make my Smashbox purchase above 2000, so I picked up this mini duo kit as well. It is their Smashbox liquid lipsticks in their mini versions, and I think this is my third or fourth time probably that I'm getting it because I love Smashbox lipsticks. They are so comfortable, matte on your lips, and shade, everything is just top notch. So I love, but I didn't need this lipstick this time because I already have so many mini lipsticks from Smashbox. बट क्योंकि वो ऐसा ऑफर ही दे देते हैं कि मुझे इसे ज़बरदस्ती ऐड करना पड़ता है बिकॉज इट जस्ट फेल कि व्हेन आई एम ऑलमोस्ट पेइंग 1400, लेट्स जस्ट पे लिटिल मोर एंड गेट सम फ्री प्रोडक्ट्स because I love Smashbox. So these are these two mini lipsticks that were in this kit. One of them is Stepping Out. It's a beautiful nude shade, and I have used it tons of time. Even today I'm wearing it, but I have just mixed it with two more colors, so you will not be able to see the actual color, but I'll swatch this for you. And I have used this lipstick a lot. So yeah, this is how it looks. This is such a unique nude shade. I first got this in Malvika Sitlani lip kit from Smashbox, and I just fell in love with this one. I mean, there was a time when I used to use this more than Smashbox Driver Seat. Now the second shade is new for me as well. This is a big spender, and this is a pure pink color, as you can see from this outer color. It's a deep pink color and it also has some hint of mauve. So yeah, this is not usually what I like to wear. So I'm more of like a nude lip kind of person. But yeah, this is how it looks. And now with wedding season coming, I think this will make a great lip shade. And yeah, okay, so 2000 की purchase के ऊपर जो भी मुझे free products मिले, I'm gonna show you. These are all lipsticks. I thought there was some primer also, like their glow primer, लेकिन डेली डेली ऑफर चेंज होते रहते हैं. आई गेस व्हेन आई ऑर्डर्ड primer was removed from the freebies kind of list. That is so sad because I love that primer as well. Now, first, these are super mini. Like you won't even call them mini. It is super mini lipsticks. One is in the shade Audition. It's like a pure nude shade, and it will wash out on a lot of skin tones. This is how it looks. It washes on my skin tone as well. I come into medium skin tone and it washes me off too. So I just line my lips with some deeper lip liner or just dab some dark lipstick on it. So yeah, this is how it looks, but otherwise it's such a beautiful shade. The next shade in this super mini lipstick is stepping out again. Nothing new. I just wish there was some new shade instead of this, but there was no choice of selecting any shade. So yeah, but they also gave full size lipstick. It is Always On Cream to Matte lipstick, and this is how it looks. The shade name is Hoops On. This is the first time that I have this formula. I've only tried their liquid lipsticks, and look at this. It's again a deep color. I'll swatch this for you. Wait, मैं इसको ऐसे तोड़ ना दूँ. So yeah, such a beautiful color, man. I mean, I love this color. I'm so thankful that they gave this bold shade, because अगर मुझे खुद से खरीदनी होती है तो मैं हमेशा न्यूड लिपस्टिक्स ही खरीदती हूँ. I mean, मैंने अपने से रिसेंटली मतलब 1 साल में कभी भी बोल्ड लिपस्टिक नहीं खरीदी होगी. जो भी है सब कुछ फ्री आइटम और सम कॉम्बो और समथिंग ही होगी. So yeah, the name says Always On Cream to Matte lipstick. So I am expecting this lipstick to turn into complete matte. और ये मुझे भी दिखने में मैट लग रही है, but okay, so ये अभी हल्का स्मज हो रही है, but I think if I'll just leave this lipstick like this for few more seconds, this will just settle into matte. अगर ऐसा होगा तो I would just love the formula. Oh yeah, I also got this cloth pouch from Smashbox. This is how it looks. It's good. I mean, this looks so good. This is, yeah. I also got this deodorant from Nykaa. It is their Wanderlust Mediterranean Sea Salt 48-hour active deodorant, and this is how it looks. Now I have already used shower gel and body lotion too in the same variant. So Nykaa के ऐसे कुछ variants हैं and they have almost all the products in all the variants. मतलब जैसे ये है वेरिएंट, तो इसमें इनका डियो भी है, परफ्यूम भी है, शावर जेल भी है, बॉडी लोशन और पता नहीं क्या क्या है. सो आई हैव ऑलरेडी यूज्ड 2 of the products from this range, and the smell of this particular range is so good. I think it's kind of a universal fragrance and everybody would like it. I mean, it literally smells like sea salt. It's very good. I can't describe the fragrance more than this. I have started using this deodorant and it literally stays on your body for good 4-5 hours, maybe more than that. I didn't notice, but yeah, it stays for really good time. And the fragrance of this variant is so good. Next, I bought this lip balm from Juicy Chemistry. It is their blood orange and rosehip organic lip balm for pigmented lips. It's not a new product. You can say it's a restock or repurchase, because literally I have finished bottles of this lip balm. I freaking love this one. I think it should be my 5th tub or something. I've lost count. It smells so good and it's very hydrating. It's not a new product. Yeah, this tiny bottle is of 5 gram and this retails for 350. I must have paid something close to 280 or 290 in the sale, but this lip balm will literally last you for 2 months at least, because you need like itna sa to cover your lips. It's very hydrating and it just spreads on your lips very nicely. I was looking for a new concealer from really long time, so I picked up this concealer from NYX. It is their HD Studio Photogenic Concealer, and I am in the shade CW04 beige. I picked up this online, so I even don't know if it will match my skin or not. And this is how the applicator is. I like the standard packaging of concealer. It's so clean and it's so tidy. It's so easy to apply as well. I don't know if this will be a good concealer shade. I don't know. If it will be lighter, then I'll use this as my highlighter shade. The one that you use after using your normal concealer to just highlight few points on your face. So yeah, I might use it, but I don't know. I'll just use this. I have not tried any makeup products because I want to do like a first impression video trying out all the new makeup products. So skincare products I've started using. I ran out of my shampoo, so I got this shampoo from Plum. Actually, I wanted to use this entire range from Plum for a really long time, लेकिन इतने सारे कभी कभी हेयर प्रोडक्ट्स होते हैं वो ख़त्म ही नहीं होते हैं, so I just keep waiting कि कब ख़त्म होंगे and I'll get new. So this is their olive and macadamia healthy hydration shampoo. This is a 300 ml of bottle. Yeah, I'm just so impressed with the packaging. I mean, just look at this. This is so sleek and this is so travel friendly. Don't just take much space. This shampoo claims to give all the hydration and protein to your hair, and like my skin, my hair is also dry, so I always pick up hydrating and moisturizing and all of that kind of shampoo. They just make sure my frizz and everything is in control. And I have used this just once, day before yesterday, when I washed my hair, and I instantly felt so good using this. It just made my hair so soft, and while I was using this on my hair, it was like, oh my god, it was just feeling so good. So yeah, I really liked this shampoo. I've already started using my skincare and hair care products. I'm also giving you a short review of the products so that you know how these products are, and you can check them out for yourself in case you are looking for something like this. Next up, this hair mask from Plum. Again, this is from the same range as the shampoo. Actually, I heard about this range a lot, and a lot of people claim that it's so hydrating and moisturizing. So I was eyeing this range from so long, and I finally got this. So it is also their olive and macadamia mega moisturizing hair mask for chemically treated hair. And this mask I have not tried. So yeah, I might try it soon, then I'll be able to tell you how it is. But seeing at the shampoo's result, I think this mask is going to be super hydrating and super... Oh, why did I do this? Okay. Yeah, so I'm hoping this shampoo would be super bomb. If you want to check out the prices of all the products, make sure you are checking the screenshot. I must have here or here somewhere on the screen. Make sure you are checking them out as well. Okay, I think we can test this lipstick, Smashbox wali cream to matte lipstick जो पहले smudge हो रही थी. It's not moving from its place. जो भी smudge हुआ है वो पहले का हुआ है. And I was doing it from the fresh finger, like a new finger, clean finger. और इसमें बहुत थोड़ा सा transfer हुआ है, and I think it's very bearable. मैं किसी भी shade को इतना ज़्यादा rub करूँगी तो उसमें भी इतना color आ ही जाएगा. So I think it's so good. It has turned into such a good matte lipstick. I'm so impressed. I can't wait to try this out. This just looks so beautiful. There must be some offer going on. I don't remember right now, but there must be something. If you buy Plum products worth rupees this much, you would get something free. So I got these two products free. This one is their Char cream in Hawaiian Rumba with Murumuru butter. I've already tried few products from this particular range, and I must say it's very impressive. I have also tried Char gel from Hawaiian Rumba variant. It is already very famous product slash fragrance. Now talking about this Char cream, smells exactly like there are other products from this range, Wine Rumba, and I use this, like I use my shower gel, like I put this on my loofah and just used it all over my body, and it was very very moisturizing, and it literally just felt so hydrating on my body, and yeah, I enjoyed using this. But the thing is, I'm so much comfortable in my usual shower gels and everything. Shower cream just felt little odd. I mean, अभी भी मेरे shower में रखी रहती है हमेशा, लेकिन whenever I'm going for shower, I always pick my regular shower gel. So yeah, this is a nice product. If you wanna try shower creams, you can give this a try. Also, the next product is this hair mask from Plum. This is the same hair mask as this one. I was just hoping that they would give conditioner so that I can try out the conditioner. If I like it, I would purchase a full size product, because ये repetition है, मतलब already मेरे पास इतना बड़ा डिब्बा है. But okay, the beauty product that I'm going to show you next is the most beautiful, gorgeous makeup product that I have seen ever. I mean, it's so beautiful. Wait, I'll show you. I don't think camera is able to catch this. I don't know how it is looking to you on the screen, because it is literally a grey metallic packaging and it looks so stunning. This is the bronzer, in case you are not able to figure it out. It's from Kiko Milano, and it is their Flawless Fusion Bronzer Powder from Kiko Milano. 12 gram of product. This retails for 1290 rupees, and this is how it looks, and this is the magnet closing that it has. And just look at this. I mean, I don't think camera is able to pick how beautiful this product is, but trust me, I can see this personally. This is so gorgeous, and I was eyeing this particular bronzer from a really long time, because I'm just a bronzer fan, and I'm so happy that I've picked this up. It just looks so gorgeous. Can we just talk about the actual product? You will not be able to see much on the camera, but I can tell you it's very smooth, and it's very smooth. It just feels like so buttery and so nice. I just can't wait to try this product, because yeah, I just feel so luxurious, so buttery, so smooth on the skin, and bronzer is something I just love using bronzer, so I cannot wait to try this out. Actually, पता है क्या? Today I wanted to shoot that first impression video where I'll get to try all these products, because there are few products that I'm so excited to try कि मुझसे wait नहीं हुआ जा रहा था, but because all should ideally come now, इतना late हो गया, it's already been like what, 10 days since the sale got over. But yeah, I'll be shooting the video next week, so तब देखते हैं. I also picked up these false lashes from Swiss Beauty. This is in the variant Posh. And this just retails for 100 rupees or something. Yeah, 99 is the MRP. And if you're picking this up on sale, I think I paid something 70 or something. And they literally last you for such a really long time. I don't have my old lashes, but I have already worn those lashes for like 4 or 5 times, even more than that, I'm not sure. Yeah, more than that. I think they are still in so good condition, and I can wear it for 3-4 more times. The quality of lashes, the lash band, everything is top notch, and I really liked it. That was the first time some super affordable product really impressed me. So I just got one more, because why not? This is such an amazing eyelash. Next up, I restocked Aqua Cloud Hydrating Creme from Dermafique. It is a dewy moisturizer that deeply hydrates, moisturize, and plumps up skin. This product need no introduction on my channel, because literally I have talked about this one so many times. I just think I should just skip everything and say it's such an amazing product, and it is literally one of my favorite moisturizer, and I finally restocked it during the sale. So it looks like this. I hope the camera is catching up the color perfectly, but it's like very aqua blue color and it almost looks white on the camera, but it's so good. It smells so amazing. So this product does have fragrance, but it will not trouble much and it just goes away within seconds of the application, and it's very pleasing actually. The fragrance is very pleasing, it's not weird or something. So yeah, it's a nice moisturizer, not a new product for me. I just restocked it. Beautiful. I got this skincare kit free with that Dermafique moisturizer. ये मैंने खोली भी नहीं है. It has face wash, skin toner and skin cream. Let me just open it. Wow, it's so good. It's literally so good and convenient to use while traveling. I mean, it's so travel friendly. Look at this, such a tiny toner ki bottle. And then this is their facial cleanser for normal to dry skin, and then it is advanced hydration deeply nourishing moisturizer. I already have used these two products, this toner or face wash. This is something new for me. So yeah, but I'm not going to use it. I mean, these are so cute and they are so good to carry while traveling. They are such beautiful minis. So yeah, I don't think I'm using them now. I mean, I can literally just carry this and my CTM routine is done. I don't think they sell their kit like this. I mean, this is a free product, but अगर वैसे अलग से sell करते हैं ना, so I would just love to buy this because I love the toner face wash. I think their cream would also be good. और कभी भी travel कर रहे हैं, so this is just so easy to slide this in your bag and you are literally done. It's literally coming in this pouch. I also got this beautiful blush from Flower Beauty. This is in the shade, yeah, Sweet Pea. It is their Flower Pots blush. Honestly, this is my first product from Flower Beauty. I have not tried anything, and just look at this. How beautiful this blush is. Can you see this rose on the blush? It's literally a gorgeous product, and the blush color is so unique. Yeah, it's like a very pretty pink, and this will just give you those fresh whites. So this is how it looks in the swatch, but this is such a beautiful and unique color. This will just give that, little flush of color on your cheek, summer and spring vibes kind of a thing. I mean, just love with how this product looks, and this particular shade Sweet Pea I have heard from so many people, so I just wanted to try it for myself. I believe this has to be the last product of this haul. This is Skin by Titan perfume in the variant Nude perfume. Nude is the variant, and this is the mini version. I'll show you how it looks. Oh my god, this ombre effect, I mean, it just looks so luxurious. Just a bolte na perfume, so some image comes in your mind. This packaging is exactly like this. और ये अभी mini perfume है. If you'll see the full size, I'll try to insert a picture again. It is just so good. It's so freaking good. And I tell you what, this is my first time that I have got this for myself. और मैंने अभी इसका smell भी नहीं check किया है. Let me check the fragrance. Okay. अभी मुझे समझ ही नहीं आ रहा इसका fragrance कैसा है. It's so good. But again, I'm not good at explaining the scent, so I will not even try. But this is so good, and the best thing is it's not like in your face. It's not that strong. I don't like that strong. मतलब उसमें सारा परफ्यूम का मज़ा चल जाता है according to me. But I was telling you, this is the first time that I've picked it for myself, but I've already gifted this to my sister, not one, not two, three times. And जब मैंने उसको gift किया था, I just gifted because the whole gift package of this Titan perfume was so good. It had like 2 perfumes, so I gifted to her. But then when she said she really liked and so awesome, and everybody keeps asking what perfume is this, then I checked online, and then I was like, what? In which hole I was living? This is literally so loved perfume. People have such positive reviews. So this time I was like, you know what, let me just purchase it for myself too, because I've been just gifting these perfumes and never bought it for myself. But I want to invest in an expensive luxurious perfume, maybe Carolina Herrera Bad Girl perfume. बाकी सब नहीं पता, but उसकी packaging is like, I can literally give anything to get that perfume sitting on my dressing table. Oh my god, मतलब इतनी क्रिएटिव माइंड आते कहाँ से, इतनी सुंदर इसकी पैकेजिंग है ना. सो आई एम थिंकिंग टू बाय दैट वन. दैट इज व्हाई आई जस्ट गॉट द मिनी वन. अगर मुझे पसंद आया सो आई विल गो विद द बिगर वर्जन ऑफ दिस टाइटन. आई थिंक आई शोड यू ऑल द प्रोडक्ट्स. लेट मी चेक इन ऑर्डर हिस्ट्री. Oh yeah, there is this one product. Where it is? ये सामने ही रखा हुआ है, मुझे दिख नहीं रहा. This is the beauty blender from Plum. This is the set of 2 beauty blender, and my regular beauty blender has just worn out and I wanted a new one. So this is how it looks, and it comes in this bag. So interesting, huh? These are the 2 beauty blenders that comes in this set. और मुझे actually black ही चाहिए था, because हमेशा से मैंने सबसे ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर यूज़ करना स्टार्ट किया है, हमेशा से ब्लैक वाला आउट ऑफ स्टॉक होता था जिस भी ब्रांड का मुझे लेना है, और हमेशा पिंक ही मुझे मिलता था. सो पिंक इज़ द ओनली कलर दैट आई हैव यूज्ड इन ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर, और मुझे ब्लैक ही चाहिए था इस बार. तो आई एम सो ग्लैड कि फाइनली मुझे ब्लैक मिल गया. ओ आई डिडंट रियलाइज दिस इज द रेगुलर ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर जो कि नॉर्मल टीयर ड्रॉप शेप में होता है, एंड दिस इज flat from the bottom. This is really nice for, you know, cleaning the edges of your contour, and you can use this in a lot of ways. I have already used PAC beauty sponge, this one earlier. Beauty blender from PAC, they are so good quality. Each beauty blender from PAC cost you 500 rupees, and here you're just getting 2 beauty blender in the same price. I think it's a steal. So yeah, I'm really happy with this purchase. Yeah, these were the products that I picked from Nykaa Pink Friday sale. Which is your favorite product? Let me know in the comment section down below, and watch out for my first impression video where I will be trying out the makeup products that I showed today. And yeah, we'll see how they perform. Are they good? Am I happy with the purchase? And should you also invest your money in them? I think I'll shoot that video next week, but let's see when it comes out on my channel. That's it for now. I'll see you super soon. Hit the subscribe button before leaving, and yeah, bye bye, take care.